Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You are looking with me on 2001 Toyota Tacoma. It's a SR5. It's a double cab, so it's pre-runner, right? It's a two-wheel drive, and I would like to show you propeller shaft and the central support bearing. So central support bearing, it's right here. And why? Because the shaft is made of two pieces, right? Automatic transmission right here, and here is the first part. Here is the bearing. Here is the second part towards to the rear differential. Before inspecting this vehicle thoroughly today, I started with the test drive and I didn't feel any vibrations right from the drivetrain and so on. But look, this is definitely considered damaged. It's completely cracked and actually falling apart, this part. So this definitely should be replaced, right? This requires service, because we don't want to have any failure in the future which could damage some other parts. And this is my first time I'm working or inspecting this truck, right? I never saw this truck before, and I wanted really quickly share this with you. I'm not sure if the owner will approve this repair or what will happen with it, but if I will be replacing it, of course I will film it for you. So I wanted to show you how looks the one which is going out, which is getting bad, right? And if the repair comes back, I will film it for you. So because of that, make sure you are subscribed. You don't miss any of those videos in the future. Thanks for watching today. Have a great day.